cushions on the ground. 6 bears splash in a river cool, jumping, diving in the pool. Water sparkles, bubbles rise, watch them swim before your eyes. 7 bears climb up a hill, step by step they march until, reaching up they touch the sky with a happy bear-like cry. 8 bears build a home so neat, stacking logs with dancing feet. Up and up their house will grow, safe and warm when cold winds blow. 9 bears wave their paws up high, stretching tall they touch the sky. Counting stars so bright and far, wishing on the biggest stars. 10 bears cheer and dance around, jumping, clapping, what a sound. Counting's fun we learned today, now it's time to shout hooray! B is for bear, big and round.
Thanks for watching.